Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, The Life of Alex W. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you all the details on how I achieved this look here. I'll let you guys know all the products that were used. And today's video was a bit of a struggle for me because I did test positive for COVID. I'm going to be telling you guys all about that throughout the video. So just go ahead and sit back, stay tuned, get relaxed. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now today I am a little bit under the weather, but I am hoping that me doing myself all up and getting pretty is going to help me feel a whole lot better. So I tested positive for COVID, if you all did not know. So it's day 5 for me, I believe, and I'm feeling a whole lot better. I still don't have smell, I still cannot taste, which is a bummer because I love food. But overall, I'm just thankful and grateful that I'm still able to breathe, still able to make this video. So today, I don't really know what we're going to do. I've already did my eyebrows, and let me just say before this video gets started, I am bored with my eyebrows. I need something new. I mean, I've been doing the same process for probably like 2 years now. Now I did find a dip brow that I liked, but I just can't get jiggy with it for some reason. So if you guys have any suggestions, any new ways, any tips that I should do, please leave it below. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started, and like I said, I really don't know what today is going to look like. I don't know what I want to call this video. Let me pull the camera in. But like I said, I just know I wanted to get dolled up. Okay, that's center enough. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't know if I want to do this because I really want to do like a green smoky glam eye, if that makes sense. So maybe I'll just go ahead and put a little here. And guys, like I said, this is day 5 of my COVID. I feel like amazing compared to the first few days of this. So the first few days, it's hard for me to say what day was number 1 because there were so many days that I felt sick. But I do remember telling my co-workers on Tuesday, like, I feel extremely tired. Like, I'm getting enough sleep. I'm sleeping all day. I'm sleeping all night until it's time for me to walk into work. But I'm so tired. And I should have took that as a sign, but I really didn't know that that was one. I didn't know fatigue was a symptom. So okay, so as I was saying, my first sign was fatigue. Crap, I left this strap. Okay, so as I was saying, my first sign was fatigue. I should have known that that was a sign, but I did not know it was a symptom. So second sign, I like to wake up in the middle of the night and eat because I'm a foodie. So I woke up to eat me a bowl of Trix, and some of the cereal kind of fell out the bag and on the counter. So of course I picked it up to eat it, and I just said, I don't think I can taste this. Still oblivious, still had no idea, you know, that I'm going through COVID. So I picked up another piece and I'm like, wait a minute, I really can't taste this. So fast forward, I'm like, Dad, I don't think I can taste this food. And so he's like, okay, smell something. I'm like, okay. Oh no, he told me to go brush my teeth. I said, okay, let me go brush my teeth. Go to the restroom, brush my teeth. Couldn't taste the toothpaste. So I said, okay, I know what to do. Let me take a shot of tequila, because if I can't taste tequila, something's really wrong. So I go back to the kitchen, pour me a shot of tequila. I take this tequila. Now I could still, you know, feel the tequila, but I could not taste it. And so that was really, really weird to me. And so I said, okay, I've tasted 3 different things. Nothing has happened. Let me smell something. So I decided to open up the bag of coffee, and I have Starbucks coffee, so it's extremely strong. I smelled the coffee and I couldn't smell anything, and I just felt, oh shit. At that point, I'm like, how many people have I been around? I was just cuddled up and sleeping with my baby. My father, who has pre-existing conditions, is in the house. At this point, I'm freaking out. So like I said, it's about 4:30 in the morning. I immediately get online trying to see where I can go get a COVID test, of course, at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So I stay like in a medical complex area, but all the websites were saying, you know, set an appointment for Monday. This was Friday morning, or yeah, Thursday night going into Friday morning. So everything is like set an appointment for Monday morning, January 11th and beyond, and blah blah blah. And I'm like, well, I have kids here right now that I need to make sure they're safe. I also have to go to work tonight, and I work in the airport, so I come in contact with 1,000 people a day. So I'm like, Monday is not going to work for me. So I found a clinic which was like 30 minutes away, went in, paid for my test, which was $169, that I'm really upset about because I feel like this should be free. But I paid $169. They swabbed my nose. I sat in the car. She came out, gave me my paper, and of course, positive. So at that point, when she gave me a positive test, I said, you know, let me reach out to my co-workers because we've been in close proximity of each other. Let me make sure my father is good. Let me go set up my house or my apartment to make sure that I can quarantine without being in contact with my kids. It was just a lot. But needless to say, now I am doing so much better. Thank God. The first couple of days were just fatigue. And the fourth day, things kind of took a turn. I developed a slight fever for a while. I got really dizzy, and I felt like I just wanted to throw up everywhere. So I laid down, took some more vitamins and all of that good stuff, and I felt a whole lot better. So the first palette I'm going to be using is this Too Faced chocolate bar. It smells so good, but I can't smell it right now. And I'm going to be using the triple fudge now. Okay, so I'm going to be using Natasha Denona. I don't know. This shit was really expensive though, so better be cute. Better be worth it. I'm having a hard time deciding if I want to do the green or the gold. So I'm going to go back to my Too Faced palette, and then I'm going to use this the semi-sweet color right here, just to kind of transition this darker brown out a little bit. That eyeliner I used was the Lorac Front of the Line Pro eyeliner. I'm now going to move on to my foundation. Now we'll be using the Rare Beauty. I have her in a shade, I don't know, 500N. Yeah, I believe that's the shade, Rare Beauty. And I will be using my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in a number 12. So I'm going to be going with my Morphe powder now and just hitting those highlighted spots. And this is the color banana. Banana. Now I'm going to use my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And then we are going to now apply our lashes. I have some lashes by Aesthetic by Sasha. And these lashes I've been having for a while now. It's kind of like that thing you just want to save for a good time, but then there's never a good time, and so you just have them forever. So I am going to finally use these. I'm so excited. I went to school with the owner of these lashes. So Sasha girl, I see you. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys on. I really just want to make sure like my highlight is working how it's supposed to. Okay, my beautiful people, we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you stayed to the end and you really like this look. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. Go ahead, watch a video or two and share them with your friends. So in the meantime, please stay blessed, stay healthy, keep your distance, continue wearing your mask, and I'll see y'all next time.